So let's talk about our type of collisions. Our first kind of collision is called an elastic collision. And an elastic collision, hopefully you can make the connection. Elastic sounds like something that stretches or compresses. Maybe it's like squishy or bouncy. And that is a good way to remember. An elastic collision is one in which the objects collide and bounce off of each other. In reality, we've got something that squishes and then goes back to the way it was, and so it goes back to where it was coming from. It is an elastic collision. What happens to the momentum in an elastic collision is that the momentum is usually passed around from one object to another. They trade momentum if both objects were moving. They just trade the momentums, and the momentum is passed around that way. If one object was stationary, sometimes the momentum is completely passed to one of the others. Sometimes it's not, depends on how they interact with each other. But the mass of each object is what determines how fast the objects are going from that P equals m over v. P equals m times v. Okay, if an object has more mass, it will have less speed as a result of that. So that's how we have to look at those elastic collisions bouncing.